Hello? Okay, there. It's on. It's on! It's on. I have to go to this and then go to the tests. And what I want to test is that when it starts, so before start ringing, set volume to sound. And over here, I want if it's not ringing, right? And still vibrating. I mean, if it's still if normal mode, right? If the ringer mode is still normal, ringer mode still normal, then set mode to vibrate again, right? Because over here, this is oops, what's this? This is set mode to normal and set volume to saved volume. Because what happens is you can't switch modes while after it's like initially you can switch modes, right? When the broadcast is called, right? So originally you can go here, but after after the first what happens is the broadcast receiver gets called, then it calls the process this class, but this class doesn't change the mode. Instead, it asks for the location, which can take a little bit of time, and by that time it's already vibrating. By the time it gets here, when the location is given, so it goes here, it calls the GPS to get the location, then it gives the location down here, and so time has passed, which means that for whatever reason, when the phone is already vibrating because time's passed, so originally it was like, hey, there's a call, and then it's nothing happens because it's asking the GPS. While nothing happening, the phone just goes, okay, well, we're vibrating because that's what it's set to, right? It's set to that if it's being called. I should really use constants here. Use okay. Then while it's vibrating, it doesn't like the mode being changed unless you specifically set the volume for whatever reason. And if I go to save volume right here, so this won't work right here. The set ringer mode doesn't work while it's vibrating. But setting, do I have it here? So let's see. It would be like audio manager dot set stream volume, right? This works for whatever reason. Index flags. Where do I have that saved? Where was this saved? Where was it saved? Let's Google it. Android set audio manager volume. Okay, so we set it stream music. It should be like string ringer or something. Ringtone. Should be like, should be, well, maybe it's, audio manager dot ring, stream ring. It's probably stream ring, and then it wants 2 flags. So that's using, okay, so this returns a string tone value. Adjust. Okay, these are adjusts. Okay, so int, and then the flag is 0. Right, so it'd be like previous, what's this? Media value, streaming. Okay, so ring ringer volume, right, and then 0. Something like that. Oh no, the flags need to be there should be flags. I remember there being flags, so it would be set ringer volume when phone rings. The phone when ringing. During a call. What's it? Is it this? So this is where it says it's only, well, this is, I tested this, where only is possible to change in the early stages, which is why I change it. The save volume is called in the early stage in this one and not in this one, right? And, but, does it have it? Listener, don't care. Is it ringing? Start what? Oh, this is notification, don't care. Destroy. So it should be in here. Service start. And this is, that's not it. Okay, how about, yeah, it's probably this. Probably need those flags. Yeah, you need the flags. If I just set it to normal with the flags, can I do that? So audio manager dot set ringer mode set mode with the flags. No. So you probably need like that. Probably need like this and was it shift? There was probably some better way of doing this, but need this in a different should be like set volume to sound while ringing. Yes, okay. Let's exit this. Oops. I should be using Control